There was a time when the skies of the battlefield were dominated by fighter jets and missiles. The strong ruled the skies, and those who controlled the skies determined the course of war. But now, the nature of warfare is evolving in an entirely different direction. A drone, small enough to fit in the palm of a hand, can neutralize expensive military assets, and swarms of drones can descend simultaneously to shake entire air defense systems. This is not merely a shift in tactics. It is a signal that the very way wars are fought is changing. Small, fast, flying low, evading the eyes of radar, slipping through terrain as if seeping into it. These drones represent a new kind of threat. Faced with this challenge, countries around the world have begun searching for answers. And at the center of that response, South Korea has presented a powerful solution. A weapon that stops drones with light. The laser-based air defense system, Cheongwang. Cheongwang, heavenly light. True to its name, it is a weapon that subdues threats with light. Developed independently by South Korea, Cheongwang is a laser-based defense system that operates by focusing a laser beam onto a target, heating the body of a small unmanned aerial vehicle or disabling its electronic systems. There are no projectiles, no ammunition consumption, only a 20-kilowatt class laser capable of neutralizing small drones from several kilometers away. Designed with integrated detection radar and optical tracking systems, it can precisely track even fast-moving targets. It is also capable of responding to multiple drones approaching simultaneously in swarm formations. A defense that continues as long as power is supplied, without concern for running out of ammunition. That is the strength of Cheongwang. And now, the world is taking notice of Cheongwang's potential. Of course, defense powers such as the United States, Israel, and the United Kingdom are also developing similar directed energy weapons. Amid this intense competition, Cheongwang stands out, not as a mere experimental platform, but as a system already deployed in operational units. Securing core technologies domestically signifies not only technological independence, but also a defense capability that is resilient against disruptions in external supply chains during times of crisis. The ability to protect one's own skies without reliance on others. This is not merely a technical matter, but one of national sovereignty and resolve. The trajectory of defense exports is also part of this story. South Korea has already built international trust through systems like the Cheongwang-2 air defense platform. In March 2026, Cheongwang-2 systems deployed in the UAE were used to intercept Iranian missiles, prompting the UAE to request accelerated deliveries. Does this merely represent a sales contract? No. It is evidence that South Korean air defense systems are being validated in real combat environments against real threats. Not just numbers in a catalog, but performance proven in the field. When countries that have used a system choose to return to it, that is the mark of genuine trust.
Threats from the sky are evolving. But so too are the technologies that counter them. South Korea stands at the forefront of this transformation, creating new solutions for defense. Cheongwang, stopping drones with a single beam of laser light. It is not merely a weapon, it is a technology that understands the changing battlefield, a manifestation of the will to protect people, and a shield designed to sustain peace for the long term. The belief that better defense creates stronger deterrence, and stronger deterrence leads to longer-lasting peace. To ensure that war does not break out, that threats do not become reality. On that belief, South Korea's defense industry continues to guard the skies today. Quietly, yet powerfully. Unseen, yet unmistakably present.